Want to jump into the same Roblox game as someone even if you're not friends? Good news, you can, but only if they and the game allow it. Let me show you the legit ways to do it fast. Open Roblox and go to that person's profile. If they're currently in a game and their privacy settings allow it, you'll see a green play join button on their profile. Tap it and Roblox will try to put you straight into their server. Easy as that. If the profile doesn't show a join button, click the game they're playing. On the games page, tap play and then open the servers tab. Scan the server list for the one with their username. Sometimes you'll spot them and can join the same server directly. Ask them to send a game link or an invite. If they paste the game link in chat or DM, opening it will take you straight to that server. Some games also support party invites. If they create a party and send the invite, you can join even when you're not friends. Remember, whether you can join depends on two things: the game settings, public versus private servers, and the player's privacy settings. Some only allow friends to join. If the game uses private or VIP servers, you won't be able to join unless they send you an invite or the server's public. Quick heads up, don't spam join requests or try sneaky workarounds. Respect people's privacy. If they don't want visitors, accept it. Breaking rules could get your account warned or banned. And that's it. Now you know the proper ways to join someone in Roblox without being friends. Have fun and play safe.